Here in Gem Lake, I'm going to clean this retaining wall for this customer. She's having a college. Getting the school prepped for the students. I'm going to get this cleaned up. You think engineers would have figured this out? You know, the drain comes down, drain causes mold. Kind of watch this just change colors. You can kind of see where I pre-treat it and where I haven't yet. Huge difference. I haven't even broke out the pressure washer yet. All clean.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat.